want to go in?
Nope, I don't want to go in. Too chilly. May 26th, 2024 on Mille Lacs, Waukon, Minnesota. On the southeast side of the lake. Beautiful day. Just had to stop. Me and the wife came up to see my buddies, good friends. They're like, honey, let's go look at the lake. But man, it is chilly. The birds are singing. I love the sound of the water. One person here. Hopefully, I was hoping nobody would be here, but can't expect this little spot to be all alone. Go swimming here. You can see it's pretty shallow. That water's cold. How's it feel? Huh? Not that bad? Compared to the ocean. Look at the sun rays coming through. Beautiful night. Thank you, Lord. Yeah, definitely warmer in Lake Superior. Mille Lacs Lake. Great fishing. Fun for the whole family if you got money. Or a good spot to fish. There's lots of good docks. Don't have to have a boat, but it helps. There's lots of launches you can go fishing on all around the lake. Twin Pines. Nita Hunters, north of Isle. That's a great one.
See it on the island
What?
at the top of the tree.
Yeah, is there something out there?
It looks like a bird's nest. Or bird sitting on top of
There
the
could
tree.
be a big bird out there. I don't know if I can get out, zoom quicker. Could be a bird nest, never know. Wife's seeing things like my middle son. He spots deer, but they can be rock deer, tree deer. Could be something out there. Should be some boats fishing, but the best fishing's probably around up north, up by Melmo. That's where I do the best, especially in the spring. Melmo. But Garrison can be good, the flats can be great, depends on the temperature of the lake. This has been a warm spring, so the fish got to be out. Spawn's definitely over. I haven't been out yet. Broke my neck a year and a half ago. Now, at least I get to walk. We'll get out fishing again. Love that sound. Just sounds of the lake. Nothing wrong with sounds of the lake. So relaxing. Nice little wind. Waves just keep coming and coming. If you're on the other side, it'd be nice and calm. Such a big lake. Takes, I don't know how long to drive around it. Oh, that could be something out there on the island. Could be a big bird. There's another, something big flying to it. You see it? It's an eagle nest over there. Something really big on top of that tree out there on that island. It's a great lake. Love fishing Mille Lacs. So much fun. So many awesome resorts. So many spots. If it's nasty on this side, too big of waves, too crazy, go to the other side. Go to the north. There's so many boat launches on Mille Lacs. They got it set up awesome. Used to be an amazing place to go fishing. Man, me and my buddy would come here, catch our limit, bring fish home. Now there's a tight slot. There's invasive species.
Here's a zebra mussel.
Yep. Don't spread them. Come on, clean, drain, and rinse your boat before you take it to another lake. Try to keep our lakes clean. Good luck with all that. Good luck with all that fun stuff. Never know what you're going to find on the shore, honey. There's a clam. No, bigger plant. Squishy. Oh, it is chilly. Especially when you're wearing shorts. Good stuff, though. You could walk barefoot in the sand. Oh, yeah, little sand action. Do a little grounding. That's so good for you. Hug a tree. Watch out for wood ticks. No sunblock, no bug spray. Save your life and your skin, your biggest organ. Eat right, live right. Hope you have a great week. Great memorial. Remembering those while we're free. All those lost their lives. Here comes a boat. They're going to come pick us up. Take us fishing. All right, honey? That boat's coming to take us fishing. Look at them bouncing on the waves. Huh? Bouncing the waves. That's fun stuff right there. Woo-wee. Especially for the kids. Wear your life jacket. That's a nice boat. Nice boat going back home. Did his fishing, now he's going back to the cabin. Some big money on this lake. Maybe he's fishing. He's going home. That's a super boat. Super money. There's some cabins out here that are so rich. These houses are just playland for the rich. Only the rich have cabins on Mille Lacs. Super money. Oh, it's a great lake. That guy's actually fishing. Looking for the big wallies. Looking for the walleyes. Gorgeous lake. Have some fun on Mille Lacs. Woo-wee. Nope, all good. Just got to make more money. Then you can have a cabin. But if you don't have money, you're not going to be on those islands. You're not going to have a cabin up there. Oh, look at that gorgeous sky. The birds are coming to say hi. They're getting their mud. Little swallows. They do 400 dips of mud a day, I think, or more, to make their nests. We got barn swallows at the farm. They're just doing their thing, just like us. Beautiful day. Enjoy the great weather. Never know what you're gonna see. Sandy feet, that's what you're gonna get. Hopefully that guy will catch a big walleye right in front of us. I love fishing for walleyes. Drifting, a good walleye chop, that's a perfect chop right now. You catch some big fish on this lake. Big muskie, big northerns, big walleye. Beautiful fish. They're trying to get me. They're saying hi. They're beautiful little swallows. Oh, what a beautiful night. Take care. God bless. Have a great night. Please subscribe, like, and follow. You can do it. YouTube special for everybody. Too bad people can't pick up their garbage. Wouldn't that be nice? Always somebody got to leave it a mess. There he goes. He's all done. He must have been checking out the spot. He was looking and seeing if there was fish. Now he's going back. Check a different spot. Maybe head home. It's Sunday. Still got tomorrow off. Maybe he's got the whole week if he's retired. It's fun stuff on Mille Lacs. Great lake to play. And he's gone. Just like that. They come and go. Beautiful night. Love the sound. Just had to take a moment to enjoy them. There he is. Now he's out of the way as he can fly. Awesome houses on these lakes. Mille Lacs Lake, northern Minnesota. Hour north of the cities. See ya.